You will be my volunteer. Perfect. Thank you again. Against the wall with your heels, hips, shoulders, and head. All right. Then put your hands up like you're being robbed. I'm kidding. Relax your hands to your sides. This is ideal.
It's uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable, good. So your body, if you're uncomfortable, that means your body does not want to stay back into good posture position. I want to say not good, but good ideal position. Okay? So we want to do it over time. We can get here. So wherever you're, so if this is uncomfortable for you, go a little forward. Don't worry about the hands, let's think about the hands. Go a little forward if you need to where you feel comfortable. Then where you're comfortable, then go back where it just starts to be a little uncomfortable. And hold that position. That's where you want to start changing your posture. Where it's just a little uncomfortable going backwards, you're used to. And once you're here, the goal is now is to maintain this when you not only stand against the wall, because that's not ideal, we stand normal by getting off the wall, maybe take a half a step forward. Try to maintain that position with the weight on your heels. So coming off the wall, weight on your heels, we're staying back here when we're standing, not leaning forward. Any questions about that? Anybody yet?
Yeah, are there
Yes.
exercises you can do? Because I tend to.
No problem, no problem. I'm going to walk through some of those exercises too. But the goal is wherever you're comfortable. So if I feel like my body is doing this, back here again, I'm going to use the wall to reset my body, my posture. Because this, by having the sensation of your head against the wall, shoulders, hips, and your feet, your body will sense that pressure. And when you take a step off, maybe a little forward still, but you want to put the weight on your heels. So Mark, by putting the weight on your heels, allows you now your muscles to tense. So these muscles in your back, when they become tense, they pull up and down to force that extension. Give you a little more help with that extension. So weight on your toes, we go forward. Weight on our heels, we go back. Now the muscles will help us stay there. The muscles I'm talking about go from your neck down to your back to rectus spine muscles. They help you stay back here and steady here. So as we relearn our posture, get that better, we go from the wall for about 15 seconds. Hold that position, feel that pressure. Head, shoulders, hips, and feet. And take a step forward, weight on our heels so we stay back here the whole time. When we're standing, then we do now from here is now we're going to walk in the same position where you're a little uncomfortable. We're walking again heel to toe. And rocking our feet when we walk, nice and slow.